How to make authentic Jamaican brown stew pork. Hey there, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our kitchen. Today, we're taking a culinary journey to the vibrant island of Jamaica, as we whip up a mouth-watering dish, Jamaican brown stew pork. But wait, we're not stopping there. We're going to elevate the flavors with some essential Jamaican seasonings, tomato paste, and Better Than Bouillon. So, if you're ready to tantalize your taste buds, let's dive right in. Oscar, Island Style. Ingredients. Complete list of ingredients in the description. 2 pounds of pork shoulder, cut into 1-inch cubes. 2 tablespoons of seasoning salt. 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. 1 large onion, chopped. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 bell pepper, diced, use any color you like. 2 medium tomatoes, chopped. 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. 2 tablespoons of Better Than Bouillon, chicken or vegetable. 2 tablespoons of browning sauce. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. 2 cups of water. 6 sprigs of thyme. 2 scallions, chopped. 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, optional for heat. Salt and pepper to taste. 2 cups of cooked rice, for serving. Step 1. Marinate the pork. First things first, we need to marinate our pork to infuse those delicious Jamaican flavors. In a large bowl, toss the pork with 2 tablespoons of seasoning salt. Make sure every piece is well coated. Cover the bowl and let it marinate in the fridge for at least 30 minutes, or even better, overnight for maximum flavor. Step 2. Sear the pork. Now, let's get cooking. In a large, heavy-bottomed pot, heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil over medium-high heat. Add the marinated pork and sear it until it's nicely browned on all sides. This should take about 5 to 7 minutes. Step 3. Sauté the aromatics. Once the pork is browned, push it to the sides of the pot and add your chopped onion, minced garlic, and diced bell pepper to the center. Sauté everything together until the onions are translucent, and the aroma is irresistible. Step 4. Add tomatoes and tomato paste. Now, it's time to add a burst of tomato goodness. Toss in your chopped tomatoes and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Stir everything well, allowing the tomato paste to cook and deepen in flavor for about 2 minutes. Step 5. Enhance the flavor. To take the flavor to the next level, dissolve 2 tablespoons of Better Than Bouillon, 2 tablespoons of browning sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar, in 2 cups of water. Pour this mixture into the pot, and add your thyme sprigs and Scotch bonnet pepper if you're feeling bold. Give it a good stir, and season with salt and pepper to taste. Step 6. Simmer to perfection. Lower the heat to a gentle simmer, cover the pot, and let it cook for 1.5 to 2 hours. This slow cooking process will make the pork incredibly tender and flavorful. Just be patient, it's worth the wait. Step 7. Finish and serve. As our Jamaican brown stew pork simmers away, the aroma will fill your kitchen with anticipation. When it's done, remove the Scotch bonnet pepper, unless you want that extra kick, and the thyme sprigs. Garnish with chopped scallions for freshness. A taste of Jamaica right in your kitchen. Serve this mouth-watering dish over a bed of fluffy rice and savor the flavors of the Caribbean. It's the perfect blend of savory, sweet, and spicy. I hope you enjoyed this culinary adventure with us today. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious recipes from around the world. Feel free to leave your comments and questions below, and until next time, happy cooking. Oscar, Island Style.